Hello everyone, welcome today. Yes, it's Wednesday, July the 28th, 2021. We have here in this newspaper, daily newspaper, three regular Sudokus, a binary one, a medium one, and a killer Sudoku, aka Sudoku mix. But in this newspaper there's also extra Sudokus. In the additional, I believe there are six extra Sudokus. So I will do the half of them. So first, these regular Sudokus, and the first one I will do will be a binary one, and this will be number 3160. 3160. Before I start, I always want to know what kind of binary puzzle is this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's a 10 by 10 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 5 O's and 5 1s. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. 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 Now I go to the ones, double ones. Double one, here no, there no. A double one, here no, there no. Double O, 1, here no, there one. There no. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Then I'll go here another double one, here no, there no. Then I go back to the double O's. A double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes a 1. Between two O's comes a 1. A double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Between two ones, wait. Double one, here no, there no. Yeah. 3, 2, 3, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 O's. And I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes, there's always an O and a 1 there. So this is the 5th O. First O, second O, third O, fourth O, and the 5th O. So this box cannot be an O. This box should be a 1. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Then between two ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 O's. Could be here, could be there. Difficult. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones. If I place number 5 here, then we have 3 O's in a row, in this row. Not allowed, one of the rules, so here cannot be a 1. Here should be an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Okay, now we have 5 ones in this row, so the rest are O's. Alright. Here we have 4 O's. If I place number 5 here, then we have 4 ones in a row in this row. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this cannot be an O. This should be a 1. If I place the 5th O here, I still have 3 ones in this row. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this cannot be an O. This should be a 1. Alright, now we have a double one here, here no, there no, double O, here one, there one, double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here in the first row, and a no between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes. There's always an O and a 1 there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So this box should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Then we have here 4 ones. If I place number 5 here, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this cannot be a 1. This should be an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. So this should be a number 5. Okay. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 1's comes in O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1's. Okay. Between 2 1's comes in O. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. So this must be number 5. Okay. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Okay, and now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Finish in 7 minutes. Alright, great. Binary. Without any comparing, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later in a few seconds with the second regular Sudoku, a medium Sudoku. See you then. Bye bye for now.